Welcome to Module 1, Language and Background to Language Learning and Teaching. This module is divided into 3 parts. In Part 1, you will find the video content and the section of practice. The video content are interactive videos that you can access. In the first video, you will find the content from Unit 1 to 4. In the second video, the Units 5 to 8. After reviewing the topics in these units, you can have access to a practice task that includes Unit 1 to 8. In the second part, you have the content section and also the practice section, including Units 9 to 14. After reviewing the topics in the interactive videos, you will have access also to the practice task. In Part 3, you will also have the content section and practice section. After reviewing the topics of Units 15 to 17, finally you can have access to the self-assessment section. This is a test you can use to practice the content in Module 1. You will have several attempts to be able to complete this test. Remember, you have to score a grade of 8 to be able to access to the next module.